run Doctrine.
I like taking advantage of people. What's up, Zach? Skipper, if you are you want to skip the song, you just got to do exclamation point skip song. If enough people want to skip it, then it'll get skipped.
Are you a 320, Lupo?
Fuck no. You ain't got raid? Come on. We knocked out hard mode King's Fall, top like 30 or something in the world, and then I got bored with it. Up by me. Oh, you're sad. I saw you. I saw your sad face. Don't run from me. Come on. Let's be friends.
Watch out, 3 of my have snipers.
Wow, Icebreaker is so aim assisty. Could hit me on Shade Step.
Shit.
My X2. Oh, you floated past me. That's alright.
Fuck.
That was your undoing.
Yeah, it was all me.
I believe. I
did it again!
You jumped over again. That's a problem. That's gonna be a problem.
All me.
That's alright.
That's a shame. Because I always Warlock skate, and it's a lot different than the Titan skate method. And I was just playing on a Titan, so I keep forgetting to tap A again.
Sniper, watch out.
There's 2 up there. Don't even challenge that. It's a death trap, man.
Window.
Shit, that's gonna fucking kill me. Never mind.
Fucking nade. There's no one on me, Lupo. Oh, nice.
There's no one anywhere. Anton Cabbage with the host. Thanks, buddy. You didn't have to do that. I appreciate it, man. And only 5 people on his friends list. No, Adam, it's not a problem, dude.
We're going inside.
Okay. There's one up top, Gab. If anything, I was just curious.
They're outside. They're outside A side. Oh, one was outside A side. I'm going inside right now.
I'm open.
That motherfucker is dead. Masonic, I'm gonna come res you anyway because I like you, okay? Here you go, buddy.
Thank you.
So, how old is your son, if you don't mind me asking?
He is almost 7 months. He's six months, and he's 6 days away, 7 days away from being 7 months old. 7 days away. All right.
Pretty cool. They're all outside.
Little dude.
My green son.
One's back, guys.
One C side. He's following you. He's going to you, Lupo.
Okay. Watch how fucking sad you are. Look at how fucking sad you are. Come on,
that
man.
Was fucking amazing, dude. He was so low there.
Wow.
That's why I like playing keyboard whenever I run Hunter. You can very quickly spam Shade Step.
Just gotta hit them B buttons, man.
Sonic, trying to pull heavy with me.
Back towards you.
I don't see anybody left. Is there anybody right side?
Heavy ammo available.
Good. Pick it up.
Oh, yes, you go. Ah, shit. There's no one on me. Oh no, there's one jumping mid to me.
Do your thing, man. You got it.
He's right. Oh no, never mind.
Good.
Right there.
Oh, good try, dude. Good try.
It's fine.
It's all good.
It's all good.
What you reckon?
Team was eliminated.
Yeah, Lupo, basically all of you too. I've been trying to carry a friend flawless. We always get A wins for some reason, and then
Have problems.
something happens.
I
Yeah.
gotcha. It's the curse, man. Some people got it.
Months. Got him. Oh, look. I hit him in the head twice. Not one of those shots counted.
You pushed my tether. Good job. That worked out exactly how I wanted it to. That was perfect.
Yeah, I don't
Nice.
play with the aim assist, so that whole pushing them out of the way isn't gonna really work for them. I mean, I don't have aim, not aim assist, but auto aim, where it'll lock onto them.
Finish them off.
Outside.
We're back left.
Gonna try to play it outside.
Pushing hard. Right here. I just sniped the grenade out of here.
Are you serious? Nice.
Ah, Masonic!
Yeah.
Oh, whoever jumped in front of me. Just had him in the head.
Mark Boyd.
Get
Mark Blade?
fucking annihilated, dude.
Good shit.
An enemy target has been revived.
I need you.
That Radiance? Doing it.
Yeah, do it.
Oh, what? There's no way.
Last guardian stand.
I'm
Yeah.
clear for.
They're all
no, I'm
by.
not.
He's by him. Here it is. One more.
Nice. I don't know why. Sometimes my
Yo.
melee just doesn't proc in where
Cheap,
one
cheap. Okay, so, and even my wife will get a kick out of this. That blade was full health to dead in one sidearm clip. I riddled him with bullets. He was coming at me in a straight
Dude,
line. I just went pop, 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 and he just kept pushing. Oh, that dude is so sad.
You man, rip KD for me. But did you take a clip of it?
I archive everything I record, so it's all on Twitch.
Nice.
I will get that one. Motherfucking cheap, dude. Oh my gosh. I don't even.
Cheap.
Yeah, dude. So I call my Hawk Moon Cacaw because it's a hawk. I call Havoc Pigeon Cheap because it's a little birdie, and then I've got an Ayaz Luna on both sides. That is, since it's like the half-assed version of Hawk Moon, it's Squawk. I name all my bird guns. Oh my gosh.
That's what's up.
Cheap. Ninja would be proud. Cheaping all day. GG
Oh, my
indeed.
buddy is on who actually has been using that carry. I think it might be. No, it's not 60. Damn, he hasn't been on for quite a while. Two flawless on them. We got one series running Doctrine with counterbalance, Shoddy, on Nemesis. Another fast rest Sunsinger with the Doc 1000 yard. Blade Dancer, the last word, 1000 yard, and no exotic armor, and they've all got high intellect.
You're a cat army. Can I steal your personality? There's no explanation. There can be no explanation. Alright. Hey, Vix.
Oh, damn, these connections though.
Yeah, that'll happen. Rock sauce. Woof,
We got a
woof.
single green bar.
Whack.
Oh, good.
Orbitulousness, yes, you can.
With their,
If-
Doctrine.
If there's anybody in chat on the Xbox side that's looking to do a run, Orbitulousness is the Sherpa liaison for the Xbox side through reddit.com/r/Crucible Sherpa. A bunch of really good teachers out there, so if you're looking to get in a run, say something in chat. And one of my mods, once he is ready, if you could drop a winner command for him, so somebody can get picked. Appreciate it, guys. Push and see.
162 Havoc Pigeon. Oh god. Oh, sorry. One switch Havoc Pigeon.
There's two over here.
Okay, burned
Nice.
out. Nice, good job.
Special right here.
I didn't even know we started. I don't play with game sound on.
Once he
like,
says
at
so.
all.
Go for it.
Your
Let's
team
give you a
is in
set
the
my
lead.
queue. No. As if there's anybody that needs some help going flawless. Blitzkitty, I'm sure
Got one.
you'll be
Going to the orb.
alright.
Going to the orb. There was one pushing behind me.
That guy's sad. Look at how sad he is.
Ooh.
Oh shit. Masonic, no.
He's going to the right.
He's coming around. He's
Charles,
coming around
yep.
back, I think.
Jumping. He's in middle. He's in middle. To your left. He's back in middle. He's right.
On me, back here, I believe.
Going back to middle.
I don't know where to go. Back here with me.
Right there. Right there.
Get the fuck out of here, dude. Who do you think you are,
Super.
spider guy?
I'll play my super.
Masonic, I'm sorry I didn't come res you, since it was just a 2-on-1.
That's fine.
My best bet was to push over there.
Get him on. Okay.
The team is in the lead.
Outside. On spawn. One in the middle, outside.
Sniper.
With me on spawn.
Good challenge me.
I'm probably gonna burn out.
Yep, there's one over here.
He's one. There you go. My res is inside mid.
One to
What's up, D-Loop? Optimism is probably gonna be a mix, buddy. It's always a mix.
He's low. Last guy's on me.
Good try.
It's all good.
Doctor Too Strong. He does have
Team was
the beetle emblem, man. So it's a beast. I'm just kidding. You can never tell.
Yeah, I just run Beetle Emblem because it's probably my best looking emblem that I have.
No, it's fine. It honestly, in the end, they all do and don't mean something because they can mean
They're just
something
gonna
and they
keep
might
going
not.
outside.
Yeah, that's fine. They should.
It's gonna stay outside.
Then I'm just gonna stay inside.
One's back by spawn. He's low.
You got a body on him.
Towards me. Yeah. He's just sniping right over there. Behind you, Lupo. I think. No, never mind. Take care.
Oh shit! Resin, punch him! Ah shit! It's all good. There's two on us. One's running down
Okay.
to you outside from our spawn. Yeah, Masonic next round.
Fucking melee.
Don't challenge him.
Right.
Your team was eliminated. Better luck next time.
We can do this. Yeah, don't challenge him next
You
round.
could probably get him. Straight. Gone there every time.
I got myself right now.
The match is
I
tied.
believe. I think one of them might have it.
Close to my bow.
They're just back there. They're just hiding out spawn and stuff.
Got him.
Thank you for following through on that shot.
Yep. Crash right.
Two pushing you. Careful.
Yeah. He's up on that.
I didn't know if you're gonna get him or not, so I blew my bow. That sucks. Oh, that sucks. I shouldn't have done
I
that.
still got my radiance.
Okay. You play on keyboard regular? Yes. Yo, do you play on a keyboard regular? Yeah. If there's some X's in there, so I don't know how to pronounce that. I'll just call you okay. Yeah, I play on keyboard and mouse, but that's the sounds you hear in the background. I put up keyboard cam. People are interested in hearing a little bit, and I'm gonna see if I can push them. They're probably gonna be.
grabs heavy. Grab
Yeah,
heavy.
he was fucking waiting for me. No, just it's fine. Just keep going.
They on you. Are they on you?
Down. There's another one.
You got one outside of initial. That's my bad, not looking over there. You get. Just make sure you're yelling at me if I get distracted by chat or something like that. You used to be like,
All
"Hey,
enemies have been
Lupo."
It's all fine. I believe
suck.
they all have the supers. I don't think I've seen them pop a super yet.
Oh, baby? No, you can't because it applies to
Can't
you too.
remember.
This is
the arc blade and 2 stun singers, and I know that stun singer I saw him. He has a
Stay together.
red.
They're back right. They're spawning across.
Oh, outside.
Bodied one. He's gonna push me.
Another one.
Burning.
Burning somewhere. I can't find him. Yep, he's right here. Oh.
2 over at green box. This guy's by himself at initial. You
Yeah,
need to
he's
push
right
him.
in front of you.
He's right around the corner.
One's behind us. One's behind us.
I'm good. I'm good for res.
He's got self.
Shoot.
Careful.
Ready to run. Be ready to run.
It's a blade.
Ooh. Nice. Shot. Nice shot. Finish him off. Come on for the rest.
The enemy is making a comeback.
Up there. Oh.
Should die. Dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Nice.
Yep, got it.
Oh my god.
Enemy team.
Nice. Nice.
Sonic,
Thank you.
I'm sorry it took us
Oh
3
my
tries.
God.
But
I
I
don't really
told
care
you.
as long as I get it.
I told you we were getting it.
Oh my god.
Told you we were getting it.
Oh.
There you go, buddy.
This is amazing.
Oh, sorry about that.
Best person I've met on this.
Nice. Got you. Got you. You're flawless.